looking out for to see. Also, where I'm one-sided in this. I'm not looking for a buy opportunity. So anything occurring to the buy side, I'm not really that interested in it. So basically, this is how I would do it personally. This is how I'll be watching. Even if I get stopped out after taking this, most times if I'm on a low probability trade, I'll be going with let's say my risk per trade is let's say 1%. I'll be on this with let's say 0.4, 0.5%. That's basically how I do it. I call the risk per half if it's a low probability trade, and I'm using full risk if it's a high probability trade. And you can see, right? So basically that's out of the, hold on, I need to check something.
All right. What's your narrative on gold?
Gold. Okay, for gold, it did exactly how I wanted it to do last week. Even went above my expectation. I was expecting Thursday or Friday to have, Friday. I was expecting Friday to have a push downwards using the NFP, making it let's say a Thursday reversal, Friday reversal, not necessarily reversal, or Friday retracement using NFP. But NFP, we did went down during NFP, yeah, as expected, but we did have a continuation. That was not what I was expecting. And I haven't really gone into code. So I probably will check it before. I'll check that out before the end of this call. Hold on, I'll go back to, I think we still have some time before the next macro. So I just want to get this done before we just get one more confirmation to see if we've gotten the peak for today, or let's say we've gotten the high of today. So basically that's so yeah, nice. I think we've gotten the high of today at standard deviation 2.5. I don't know if we'll extend even further. I don't know, but for now, let me take this stuff out. So we picked it at this level. Picked at standard deviation 2.5 of the midnight range. Also, so during London, I think there was a trade based off this during London. But this is something, this is like a so we're still reacting upwards. So let me check out. Regardless of what's occurring right now, I'm not still interested in looking for buys at all. I think the daily has not wicked out completely. So we still have some time. If we do have price closing below this high, and that's going to be more convincing for me. All these I don't really want to see them. We came back to this rejection block. Yeah, we got pretty close. Yeah, we got exactly that rejection block. We tested that. Definitely, I'm still bearish. Like I've told you, I'm still bearish. And, I would only scrap my what's it called, my bars, if we, for some reason, the next hourly candle closes bullish and above this range. The next hourly candle closes bullish and above this range, closes bullish. The next hourly candle closes bullish above this range. I would scrap my bearish idea and not even have a need to trade anymore. That for today. So I'm just going to alight. Just need all the quadrants specified. Since we are stalling right there, we might clean some major roads before going to have a reversal. That's the points. What I don't want to see currently is this acting as a model. I think I talked about this on. I don't want to see this acting that way. Since I'm bearish, if I was bullish, if I was bullish, this would be probably when you watch the video, the one I tagged retracement. I think the video I sent to you guys, the one I tagged retracement. This would be an ideal model for that if I was bullish. That's the only reason I would be interested in this. If I was bullish from the higher time frame perspective, this would be a trade. But since I'm bearish, I'm solely looking towards what the sell side of the market would give me. So what this basically is, saying price retrace prior to our timing back into the discount level of the London range. But since, and I specified the timings I was interested in for these ranges, from midnight till 6, from the high to the low. I think from midnight till 6:50 something, from the high to the low. That's the range. We want to see retracement back into a discount PDRA and so on. But the issue right now is that I'm not bullish. So I'm not interested in that for now. I'm not bullish. We get one understanding of that after the what's called. You go through the extra lessons, specifically that what's it called? If we're back at that rejection block. If the next hourly candle closes bullish above this range, I'm done with that bullish bias. But since we are still reacting to this and this, I'm still going to watch. So, in respect to the ranges, we are still reacting. Go pick the initial high of the day at negative 2.5 of the standard deviation of the the midnight range. Picked it there. Then currently I'm taking that Fibonacci out. Currently we are doing this. We have the high, midpoint, and the low. I'll wait for the next macro. Let me say 15 minutes. It's not too really significant. We do something in 15 minutes. Bring on the one of that base high, this place. I'm solely interested in what's going to give me a sell entry. That's how I go about this. If I'm bearish for that day or for that session, I'm just interested in what is going to give me a sell entry. All the bullish aspect of the day, I don't really concern myself with that. Let me take this stuff out. So while we wait for the next macro, I don't really think. Let's just wait. We are still pushing higher. We might get a fast swift move. I don't know. So while we are waiting for that, let me just switch. All right, so guys, so this is the outcome of the trade. Like I said, I was on a Zoom call with my student of mine. That's on Saturday. We were talking about Bitcoin, and I gave him a setup that I was expecting, where I was expecting price to go today. So this is a trade based off that whole idea. All the other narrations are on the videos. Like all that where price was going to, my time frame bias, and where I wanted price to drop to. We have a rejection block there, and which was where price pivoted from. The first macro didn't get an entry, but the second macro I got an entry at the second macro targeting the sell low of Asia. I got the low of Asia, the low of London, and I had other objective for the trade, which was the low of Asia as well as the 1 hour rejection block I marked out. So these were my objective. Took the trade at this point at the price revisiting the inverse fair value gap. Took an entry there. That point, got first TP so quick. I moved stop loss very close to my entry, and yeah, I got stopped out there. So the trade is still running on my live account. I'm holding till the partials at this point, taking my first partials here. My second partials here and full target right here. So that was it. This is basically how to use the best way to use the macros is basically for one of the ways that, like I said during the explanation, was using it as to take part of an ongoing trend. You can see we're bearish. I already called out, explained all why I was bearish already. So this is the trade. You can see my entries. At this point, price was at 94 to 91. Took my profit. First purchase $94,034. So let's see if price gets here and probably to our target 93,538. Have a nice day.